So now let's see how we can use keyframes for animations inside of CapCut Desktop Editor. So for that, let's just go around and bring in, let's say for example, this footage right here. And if I were to press the play button, you can see that this footage is quite still. But let's say what I want to do is I want to go around and add an animation to the scale right here so that it slowly scales out right here, just like this. So let's say right around over here, let me just go around and zoom in onto the timeline, and right around over here until this is on 1 second range, I want the animation to start from here. So I'm going to keep my timeline cursor over here. Then once that is done, I'm going to go around on beside scale. Let me start with 100% right here. And I'm going to go around and add in a keyframe right here. That adds in a keyframe over here as well. And until 3 seconds, let's say for example, I want the scale to go down. And let's say I want it to be exactly 70% of the original state right here. And you can see a keyframe is added in, just like this. So now on the 1 second range, the scale is 100%, while on the 3 second range, the scale is 70% right here. So if I were to go around and press the play button, this is the end result, as you can see, and it stops right there. You can also go around and increase out the scale once more, and another keyframe is added in, just like this. Similarly, wherever you see these diamond icons right here, you can add in keyframes. For example, there's opacity right here, so you can click on this and you can go around and then decrease out the opacity, and there's a keyframe in the opacity now, as you can see, just like this. You can go around and add in, let's say for example, keyframes in whatever you see right here. Like over here, you can see that this is what you have. So if I were to go to body, there's no keyframes over here, so you cannot apply to it. But whatever areas you see keyframes in, you can go around and then add in keyframes to it. Like let's say for example, in the adjust area, you can see keyframes over here in temperature. So you can make it blue right here, add in keyframe right here, and then change around the value. Then what happens is that you simply get the keyframe change right here from black and white to color and so forth. You can go around and add in a fade right here as well. So let's say for example, you really have a faded footage over here, just like this. So I'm just going to go around and add in fade, particles, and sharpen right here, just like this. So let's just go around and increase it and change out the vignette. And then you can add in keyframe to all of them right here, just like this. And then go around a bit further and then decrease out all of the values right here, just like this. So you can go around and decrease this and keep this as 0 right here, just like this. And keyframe has been added onto all of them right here and creating a unique effect, as you can see, just like this. And as you keep on adding keyframes, you can see you can animate it in different ways. You can also go around and bring in objects right here, and let's just go around onto emphasis and bring in this particular sticker, as you can see right here. So now what you can do is you can utilize keyframe right here, just like this. And then I'm going to go around and select this out. And over here, I'm just going to select out keyframe in position, just like this. So that is what you have. Then I'm going to go around over here, drag this out over here, and maybe rotate this out a bit, just like this, onto, let's say, this area right here. Then I'm going to go around over here and bring this in over here, just like this. Maybe rotate this out right here, and maybe change around the scale a bit as well. I didn't initially add in scale keyframes, so it won't work. So let me just go around and increase it and so forth. And this is how you can see that you can really go around and change the position and location right here to animate it, as you can see right here, as if the cursor is moving. So that is how you can go around and then utilize keyframes to create animations inside of CapCut Desktop Editor. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe